Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to attach a photo to a text message on a Samsung phone. If you want to quickly send pictures to your friends or family through messages, then this video will help you step by step. So first, open the Messages app on your Samsung phone. You can find it on the home screen or inside the app drawer. If you can't find it, simply swipe up and search for Messages. Now open the conversation where you want to send the photo. If you want to start a new chat, tap the message icon in the bottom right corner and type the contact name or phone number. Once you're inside the chat, type your message if you want to add some text along with the photo. After that, tap the small plus or arrow icon beside the message box. Now select the gallery or photo icon. Choose the picture you want to attach and it will appear inside the message. Finally, tap the send button and your photo will be sent instantly. And that's it. That's how you can attach a photo to a text message on a Samsung phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.